Scout, are you making Leaf laugh? Oh, he's got your hair. Can you make him laugh?
You got a bite.
Oh, that's not nice. Be gentle with him.
He like that. I got a bite.
Can you say, oh, no, please, no. Can you say, who loves you, Leaf?
He loves you. He loves you. I'm teaching him how to do this.
How to do that? How to do a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with his feet?
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, all the peanut and jelly spilled off, Mom.
It spilled off. Leaf, you're such a good sport.
Wait.
Be gentle, okay?
Oh no.
Whoa, he's falling forward. Can you help him sit back up? Oh, no.
He can
Here, I'll help him.